Welcome back to Magic Indicator Strategies. We prepared something special for you today. We came up with unique and ultra-accurate trading strategy no one really knows about. This amazing method will generate you consistent profits over time. But before we start, be sure to like this video as it really contributes to the channel's growth. This strategy can be applied when trading crypto, stocks and forex, and it's suitable for scalping. For this example, we're going to be using the price of Ethereum on 15-minute time frame. We will show you how to build this setup step by step a bit later. For now, let's understand the idea behind this secret method. So as we can see, the indicators we're using aren't standard like RSI or stochastic. This is a combination of highly effective tools that can read and predict the price movement with high accuracy. First, let's start with this indicator that colors the bars. This tool will help us identify the trend direction with ease. When the bars are red color, the security is in the downtrend. This means we're only going to be looking to sell. When the bars are green, the bulls are in control. At this time, we're only going to be looking to buy. With this strategy, we're going with the trend. We're not trying to catch reversals. We believe this is the best way to trade. The next indicator we have in our strategy is this oscillator that issues buy and sell signals. It's very important to use this indicator in the right way. We will show you how, later in this video. Notice, this tool consists of a white line and different color histogram. When the bars are colored in dark red, this indicates a strong selling pressure. If the bars are light green color, this signals a strong buying pressure. Finally, for our strategy, we also added this powerful volatility oscillator. This indicator will help us spot the times when the volatility level in the market is above usual. When the white line breaks outside of these two bands, the volatility is increased. We recommend trading with this strategy during London and New York sessions as there is a higher level of volume in the market. Okay, now let's understand the exact rules for entering a trade. So here are the conditions for long trade. First, the bars have to be green color. Second, the white line of this oscillator is above the zero level. The indicator also needs to print a new light green bar that breaks above the line. Third, the volatility oscillator line needs to break above the upper band. The buy order will be placed at the close of the trigger candlestick. The stop loss should be placed slightly below the recent lowest price. For this strategy, it's recommended to target 1.5 times the risk. If one of these conditions is not met at the time the MACD oscillator gives us a signal, we simply gonna skip it. Here's another example. So first we're looking at the bar color, we see they're green. Next, we take a look at the MACD oscillator for a buy signal. We see, the rules are met. And finally we have the volatility indicator confirming the entry. Okay, now let's understand the rules for short trades. First, the bars have to be red color. Second, the white line of this oscillator is below the zero level. The indicator also needs to print a new dark red bar that breaks below the line. Third, the volatility oscillator line needs to break below the lower band. The sell order will be placed at the close of the trigger candlestick. The stop loss should be placed slightly above the recent highest price. We're going to be targeting 1.5 times the risk. Let me give you another example. Here we see the price action is moving in the downtrend, so the bars are red color. The MACD oscillator issues a new valid short signal and the volatility indicator confirms it. So we go ahead and place a sell order at the close of the candlestick we had a signal on. Traders, with this amazing strategy, your win rate will increase up to 70 or even 80%. But only if you strictly follow the rules we just showed you. Sometimes you might encounter losing streaks, but that's okay. There is no strategy that would work 100% of the time. The good thing is that those losing streaks are insignificant comparing to other strategies you see on YouTube. We truly believe this strategy will make you a lot of money from trading. Okay, let us give you a few important examples when you shouldn't take trades. Here we see the bars are green, the oscillator line is above zero level and the green bar has been printed, but it didn't quite break above the line. The following bar though does break above the line. So the question is, would you consider this signal as valid? The answer is, no. This signal is not valid as the breakout hasn't happened on the very first light green bar. In this case you should wait for a new light green bar to be printed after a green or a red one. Also, we would highly recommend you skip signals issued on massive candlesticks like this. Such sharp move of the price is very often followed by a pullback. So please be aware of that. Okay, now let us show you how to build this setup step by step. First, open the TradingView platform and head over to Indicators section on the top. Type in MACD4C and select this indicator right here. Next, type in Parabolic SAR buy and sell and pick this indicator by Gick Roth. Access its settings and deselect buy and sell options. And finally add one more indicator to the chart, the volatility oscillator by VeriFid. Okay traders, your setup is ready. Enjoy your profits.